Good evening, students. Today we will discuss most common topic for CBSE Math 2022 and 23, that is find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So here we will talk about mainly zeros of quadratic polynomial. Okay. So first, the standard form of quadratic equation is standard form of quadratic polynomial. Is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is non-zero. We can write this thing as px. So this is our quadratic polynomial. Why it is quadratic? Because here highest power of x is 2 and a is non-zero. So as it is quadratic polynomial, degree is 2, so it must have two roots. Let alpha and beta be two zeros of it, zeros of px. Then we can write alpha plus beta, that means sum of the zeros, is minus b by a, where b is coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. Okay, and alpha beta, that is product of the zeros, which is c by a. That means c is what? Constant term over here, and a is coefficient of x square. This two is the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Now see this question: x square minus 2x minus 8. Find the zeros first, then verify the relationship. Okay. Now x square minus 2x minus 8. So this is a quadratic polynomial, and this type of question we will solve by factorization method, means middle term factorization. Okay. So first, this is the middle term. So we have to split that 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now I have to choose two numbers whose sum or subtraction will be that middle term 2. Okay. So I'm taking 2 2s are 4 and 2. So I can write this middle term 2 as 4 minus 2 minus x into x minus 8. Now remove the bracket, it will be x square minus 4x minus as a plus 2x, and it is 8. Now take common x from first two terms, it will be x minus 4, and from third and fourth term take common 2, so again it will be x minus 4. Now x minus 4 we can take common, so it will be x plus 2. Now value of x square minus 2x minus 8 is 0 if either x minus 4 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. So from first side we can write x is equal to 4. From this we can write x is equal to minus 2. So 4 and minus 2 are the zeros. Therefore zeros are 4 comma minus 2. This is my first part. Now second part I'm doing here. Second part. Sum of the zeros. So first write sum of the zeros of the zeros. So sum of the zeros is what? This is 4 plus minus 2, which is 4 minus 2. This is 2, and I have to write the sum of the zeros is minus b by a. That means 2 I can write minus of minus 2 by 1. So here 1 is the coefficient of x square and minus 2 is coefficient of x. So this is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Also product of the zeros, product of the zeros is one zero is 4, another 0 is minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 equals to minus 8. So minus 8 I can write minus 8 by 1. So in place of minus 8 you can write it is constant term only. Okay, so it will be constant term by coefficient of x square. So this is verified. Okay, this is the full sum. Again, let us discuss the second question. Okay, now this one, 4u square plus 8u. Clear? So 4u square plus 8u. I'm writing the question. Now take common 4 u. So it will be u plus 2. Again it is a product of two numbers. One is 4u, another is u plus 2. Right, again the value of four u square plus 8u is 0 if either 4u equal to 0 or u plus 2 equals to 0. So from this I can write ki u is equal to 0 or u is equal to here minus 2. Therefore zeros are 0 comma minus 2. This is first part. Now for second part, sum of the zeros, equals to sum of the 0 is what? 1 0 is 0, another 0 is minus 2. So it is minus 2 only. So I have to write this is minus b by a, that means coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. So this 2 can be written as 8 by 4. Why I am writing this 8 by 4? Because here coefficient of u is given 8 and coefficient of u square is 4. That is why. So in place of 8 I can write coefficient of u divided by coefficient of u square. Similarly, product of the zeros So 1 0 is 0, another 0 is minus 2. So 0 into minus 2 is 0. So this 0 also can be written as 0 only, because here you can write 0 also. So 0 by 4 I can write. So in place of 0 it is constant term, because constant term is not there. So take this as 0 constant by coefficient of u square. This is also verified. Next, another type of question. Here we need to find quadratic polynomial whose sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are given. So first one 3 is sum of the zeros and 2 is product of the zeros. Okay. So formation of quadratic polynomial, we can write the required first given alpha plus beta, that means sum of the zeros is 3, and product of the zeros, that is alpha beta, equals to 2, where alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So therefore the equation of the quadratic equation by quadratic polynomial, that will be better, quadratic polynomial the quadratic polynomial is x square minus here alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the formation of quadratic polynomial. So in place of alpha plus beta, put the value 3x, and alpha beta it is 2. This is the answer, because both sum of the zeros and product of the zeros given in integer form. Now here sum of the zeros is 2 and product of the zeros is 1 by 3. That means another product of the zeros is given in fraction. So in that type of question, we'll use another formula. This is question number 2 and that was 1. So alpha plus beta here equals to root 2 and alpha beta equals to 1 by 3. So the equation of the quadratic polynomial is x square. First I will take 1k. Why I am taking this k, I will tell you later on. So x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So k x square minus alpha plus beta is root 2 x plus, here alpha beta is 1 by 3. Now I'll take LCM. So 3 as LCM, so 3x square plus minus 3 root 2 x plus 1. Okay, so it will be k by 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 1. Taking k is equal to 3 or multiple of 3. So it will be, therefore, the required polynomial is the required quadratic polynomial is so if I put k over 3, so 3 by 3 1, it will be 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 1. This is answer. Thank you.